Hey guys, I just want to thank you for purchasing this course. I appreciate all the support you guys have given from the last course and this course, and this is made to be more of an advanced course. So the first one was kind of more of an overview of, how you can make money using this blueprint and kind of the things you need to get started. But now that you guys have graduated from that, you're ready for this full experience where I'm going to get in-depth details on all of the ins and outs. Now that you guys are comfortable with making a channel, comfortable with downloading Creative Commons videos, comfortable with uploading them, now it's time to get into the nitty-gritty, because as some of you guys know, you get a lot of content ID matches, things like that you need to get around, right? I couldn't pack all that stuff into that first course because it's more of just an overview, and people get extremely overwhelmed with those type of things. But this course is made for people like you who are really wanting to dive in and make the most of this, and are really motivated and determined to make it happen, and aren't going to get overwhelmed, and just want to learn as much as you can to make this happen. Because there's a lot of stuff that goes into it that you can, using my other course, you can kind of get started. You can start making a good amount of income, but there's things you need to get around that are kind of more in depth, right? Such as not being able to find enough videos, and not knowing how to edit them properly, not knowing how to get around the content ID matches that the bots do. So those are type of things that we need to get into in this course, which is why it's an advanced course. And then I'm also going to give you guys the top niches that I like to use, and then I'm going to give you guys kind of a a case study of as I'm going into this specific niche, what videos do I look for, what videos do I want to download and repost, what videos don't I want to download and repost. And it's going to be very in-depth, where I'm literally going to do case studies on different niches to show you guys exactly what I do to find the channels, the videos, how I upload them, how I download them, how I edit them, how I do things to get around content ID matches, all those important things that go into it, and then everything else that I can think of that I do that makes me the most successful, and how you can really ramp up your income from what you guys have been doing from the last course. So I hope this really helps you guys out. I really do think it's going to kind of give you that boost you need to get to that next level. And those are all the things we're going to talk about in this advanced course. So appreciate you guys coming along with me, and I hope you enjoy. As always, we got the link for the email in there. And so if you guys have any questions at all whatsoever, please do not hesitate to send me an email. That's the best way to reach me. It gets a little overwhelming in the Facebook groups and Facebook messaging, and even sometimes in the course comments trying to answer all of those things. But email goes directly to my phone, so I'm able to get to that every single time. So do not hesitate to send me that email at moneymakermcgee3@gmail.com, and I will answer any question you guys have. So let's get into it in depth. Let's get it. Let's get some money, guys. Thanks for watching.